Right, in this video we're going to look at how we check our HTTP servers to see if they're all running correctly. So we're going to work with active jobs, but we're only going to look at the subsystem for the HTTP server, which is QHTTP SRV. Okay, so we can see our subsystem there, QHTTP SVR. We've got the admin jobs running, and we've also got these F instances. So we can see these down here, with the page down. These are all different instances, very typical to Microsoft's IIS, where they call these websites. So these are all individual websites. They're going to be running on different ports, so we can go into these individually without any problems. As we said, if we look at the first page, we can see the HTTP admin interface running. These admin jobs here, as we can see. If we want to go anything within the browser itself to go into the administration of any of these instances, Apache instances, we go through the web browser. If we wanted to stop and start these, we can stop and start them from a green screen quite happily. So we just type in the command start TCP server, and it's HTTP. If we then prompt on that, the F4 key, and under the instance, then if we put FCRMD, development of our CRM system, and press enter, that will actually end that server. So pressing F5, we can see these jobs underneath here would actually go to end the jobs. They will actually complete. Takes a little while. It's not the fastest of boxes, not by a long way. We do page down, we might see some of these jobs. They're still waiting to actually die. We can check our messages in the system operator just to see if we got everything ended correctly. Display message uses Opera. And it says there it was already active, so spot my deliberate mistake. I was starting the server instead of ending it. So to end it, end TCP server. Prompting once again just to show you HTTP, and the server instance is FCRMD. So now hopefully nobody spotted my deliberate mistake there. Press F5 on there. We can see these status now. These jobs are actually running. Doing a few thread waits. Page up. You can see they're changing status all the time. So you can see they're going to end the job now, and they've all actually completed. So there won't be any access now via that application. We won't be able to use it at all. We won't have browser access to that. It'll be ended. So once again, just to start these up, do F9 for our last, and change it to start TCP server. Quite deliberately done in the first place, honest. So press enter on that, press 5, and we can see all these jobs that are actually kicking in. There's quite a few jobs for this instance because this is a Zen server application. It's a Zen framework application, and it uses virtual hosts. So it does have a lot of jobs running for it. We can see these kicking in. You can see these are all PHP jobs. They run under the Zen server application, CGI. So that looks like that's all up and running now. Again, we can look at our messages on the operator. Display message QSys Opera. You can see that it was ended there. Still hasn't kicked in yet to tell us it's actually started. It's still going through the startup stages. So that really concludes our quick look into Apache instances from a green screen perspective. in the next one, we'll actually have a look at the browser and see how we can do the administration from there. So how we can actually configure some of these applications. Okay. Thanks all for now. Bye bye.